Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now select Bluetooth over here and click on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Then wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. After that, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for this smartphone or the other device to accept your connection request. And now, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by tapping on this little icon next to the device and selecting Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!